Hey friends, it's Amy Deb, the Keto Queen. I hope you're having a great day. It's Saturday. I'm excited to be home at my home on this Saturday. My brother-in-law and sister-in-law are coming over. My baby girl's coming over. We're so excited just to hang out together. We're going to have some fun in the backyard by the pool and just enjoy the day. Guys, before I jump in the yard, I want to make sure I talk to you about a new flavor release. I mean, a brand new flavor. We haven't had a brand new flavor in over a year and a half, maybe even 2 years. So we've got a brand new flavor that's seasonal. It's going to be here a short-lived time, and then it's gone. So you want to make sure you grab it today. I'm fixing to open it up and mix it up so we can taste it together. And I also want to talk to you a little bit about living life instead of surviving. So if you've been following my page, I would love to know how long you've been here. Guys, if you know me at all, you know that I am a struggling food addict. I have always had an issue with food and my health because of that. And guys, ever since I found this drink that I call my Go Girl Mix, I have been living life, having fun, feeling amazing, feeling empowered, in control. As a food addict, that is a very hard statement to say, but I am in control, living life instead of surviving. In my past, I always felt like I was in survival mode, running this yo-yo up and down, riding this yo-yo string up and down my entire adult life, guys. Ever since I graduated high school, I've been tied to this yo-yo string until I found this drink, my Go Girl Mix. Since then, I've been feeling amazing, living life as a food addict. Yes, living life as a food addict instead of surviving. Guys, if you're looking for a tool that works, you need help with appetite control, energy, focus, better sleep, even better mood, then guys, you want to make sure you say me in the comments so I can get you information. If you're not drinking this yet, you need to give it a try. I don't know what you're waiting on, but guys, I'm telling you, I've helped thousands of people, including my own self. I moved from a size 12 to a 4'6". I've been maintaining that 6 solid years, feeling fantastic, living life instead of surviving. So if you're new, I would love to help you. Just say me. And guys, if you're not new, and you've been following and you know about my Go Girl Mix, I am so excited to share a brand new flavor with you. It's available today. It just hit the stores yesterday. If you're on our monthly VIP program, you get your VIP discount. It is called Bomb Pop Bliss. Bomb Pop Bliss. And I've been told, because I've only had one, I tasted one a couple of months back. Has it been a month? It's been a little less than, I don't even know. Time flies so fast when you're having fun in life. Where was I? I was in Texas. And I got to taste this. And I sold a few trial packs because I purchased a couple of boxes and I've sold them all. I just opened this one. I have not had one since Texas. So I'm excited to try it again with you guys. Bomb Pop Bliss tastes just like the Bomb Pop popsicles. Remember the red, white, and blue? I think it was blue, white, and red at the tip. Looks like a rocket ship. Bomb Pop. That's what this tastes like. It's a summer seasonal flavor. That means it's only going to be here a very short time. If you're on the VIP program, you can get your VIP discount, so I can get 25% today. Don't miss out. If you're already a customer, just log into your store. Guys, if you're not drinking these yet and you're ready to experience it yourself, say me. I would love to get you the details. Again, as a food addict, I am living life. I'm not surviving anymore. I'm living life and I feel amazing. Just got back from Switzerland, where I was able to hike. When I'm talking about hike, I'm talking about we didn't walk a mile. We walked 4 miles downhill, uphill, riding bicycles 18 miles. We had the greatest time. And let me tell you, in my past life, that would not have happened. Absolutely not. I would have been miserable. I would have been embarrassed because I wouldn't have been able to do it with my friends. I would have been in the room while watching everyone from the window have a great time. That was my past life. Now, with my Go Girl Mix, I am so energized. I've not only lost the fat, I've maintained the fat loss for 6 solid years. I feel amazing. Guys, I don't want you to survive life. I want you to live life. I want you to have the best time and feel confident in yourself, and that's how I feel these days. So, guys, I'm going to shake up this brand new flavor. It's called Bomb Pop Bliss. It's a beautiful blue color. And I would love to help you. So if you're not drinking them yet, say me for details. I want to make sure you get the details. I've helped thousands of people regain their health and feel amazing. And if you're drinking them already, I would love to know your favorite benefit. In the comments, just shout it out. What is your favorite benefit of drinking these every day? All you do is mix them in cold or ice cold water. I prefer ice cold. and you drink them in 30 minutes or less. So delicious, and they work. This is the most important part. They work. They taste delicious, but they work. So I got back from Switzerland. I got on the scale. Guys, I gained 3 pounds. 3 pounds! 3 pounds! Would you be mad at that? Would you be sad at that? Heck no. In my past life before my Go Girl Mix, I would have gained 10 pounds easy when I go on vacation. And guess what? I'm going on another vacation just a week from now. So I'm going to the beach for the first time with my mom and my daughter and my husband. And I think my mother-in-law's even coming. We haven't been to the beach since Dad got sick. So other than Ricky's 50th birthday party, but that was like our 50th trip. But that wasn't a normal beach trip. That was an adventure. And we're going to the beach just to hear the waves and put our feet in the sand. We didn't do that when we went to St. Lucia. We're going to enjoy a family vacation. And guys, in my past, right about now, I would be dreading it. I would be really sad because I couldn't get into any of my clothes. I'd be thinking about what I'm going to look like on the beach next to all the other people who are healthy and fit. And those thoughts never come into my mind. I'm still a food addict, guys. I still struggle with food. But those thoughts never cross my mind because the power of my Go Girl Mix. I love this stuff. That's why I share it. I don't talk about it just to be talking about it. I talk about it because I love it. It works. And I've not only helped myself, I've helped thousands of people over the 6 years of me drinking and sharing. So let's taste this new flavor, Bomb Pop Bliss. If you're already drinking ketones and you love to get new flavors and mix it up, I don't like to drink the same thing every single day, then you want to grab the Bomb Pop Bliss. It tastes just like the Bomb Pop Popsicle. What I'm fixing to do though, because my sister-in-law's on her way over here, I'm fixing to blend this up and make an icy out of it. I bet that would be delicious by the pool. Yes, darling, she loves it too. All right, guys, if you're already drinking ketones, shout out in the comments your favorite benefits of drinking them. If you love to try out new flavors, it's here now, Bomb Pop Bliss. You can get it with your VIP discounts if you're already on our VIP program. If you're not, you can grab it if you want to at full price. But why would you do that? I love sales. So if you're not in our VIP program, make sure you reach out to me so I can get you in our sales program. It's beautiful. It's delicious. It tastes just like a Bomb Pop Popsicle. And I'm fixing to shred this up in my icy and make a little icy out of it. My little Ninja chopper, and make this into an icy. That's going to be delicious out there by the pool. So don't miss out on the new flavor. If you're brand new and you're not trying them yet and you're ready, guys, this is your opportunity. I have a new customer sale. I want you to feel amazing. I want you to live life feeling energized, feeling proud of yourself, not surviving life like I have for so many years, struggling with my health, my confidence, my pant size, all of the things. I don't want you to struggle. I don't want you to survive. I want you to live, and I want you to live well. I want you to live better longer. Guys, if you want to live better longer, say me for the details and let me get you information on this drink. Well, my sister-in-law is on her way. I want to straighten up my house just a little bit. So guys, I hope you have a great day. If I can help you with anything, please let me know. Just shoot me a message or in the comments say, hey, I need your help. But say me if you want details on these drinks and you haven't tried them yet. I want to get you the details ASAP. Let's get you started now. All right, guys, I'm going to go and I'll see all of you guys later. Bye.